everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1987 GMC Sierra Classic short box. Killer truck, guys. Just underwent a complete body up restoration. Clean Southern truck. It was bought new in Florida. The guy we bought it from was out of Georgia, and just a killer little truck. Like I say, recent body up restoration. They stripped it down to the bare metal, had the truck completely repainted. It's got a gorgeous two-tone charcoal gray and red paint scheme on it. It's got all new burgundy interior. Truck's got a 2 and 3 inch lowering kit on it, and it is gorgeous. I mean, this is a little show truck. It's got 20-inch Halibrand wheels that match the gray. It's got the spinner caps on it, ZR rated rubber all the way around it, and a beautiful truck, clean as can be. Somebody has spent a ton of money on this truck. He said most of the trim and stuff he replaced, and the truck only had 50,000 miles on it when he started with it. Bumpers are new. He said most of the trim and stuff he actually went ahead and replaced. But clean Carfax, and like I say, gorgeous paint on it. Soft gray glass, dual chrome mirrors. Look how nice that bed is. I love the stripe on it. I mean, look how nice all this stuff is. That is a gorgeous truck. Killer stance. Like I say, they lowered it down a little bit. Factory rear axle. It's got the kind of factory style exhaust on it. Hits the road great. Air blows ice cold. So they just went back through all that as well. Really cool set of Halibrand wheels. Those were expensive. And it's unique. I mean, it's got just a really unique look. I mean, everybody here just loves the truck. Disc brakes. Like I say, really cool color combination. It's got the 350 EFI engine in it, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Really kind of factory underneath the hood here. But again, look how clean, look how nice everything is. Again, factory air, it blows ice cold, power steering, power front disc brakes. Automatic overdrive transmission. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. And these trucks are just on fire. Everybody's hunting these things. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door handles are nice. Couple little scratches you can kind of nitpick there, but that's really just trying to nitpick the truck. Look how clean the doors are. Replaced all the interior, he said. That's all brand new. New carpet. Look how clean the jams are. New seat. Tilt column with the, it's got the old style sport wheel on it. Look how nice the gauges are and everything. 54, 778, that's supposed to be the right miles. The radio didn't work. It's got the Delco AM/FM cassette. Look how nice the dash pad is. Original sped tag is in the glove box. It's got the GM rubber mats. Again, automatic overdrive trans, factory rear axle. Good truck, man. And clean as can be. I mean, look at that lip on this tailgate. Clean underneath. Like I say, truck spent its whole life in the South. I mean, it's just a beautiful truck. Love this interior. Yeah, the thing jumped right out to me was a really cool color combination and how nice this interior is. Like I say, somebody spent a lot of money in here. Again, factory soft gray glass. Fires right up. Like I said, air blows ice cold. That's a great truck, man. That thing just got a killer look. Front spoiler's still there. Sits good. Doesn't really have much for gauges. It's all lights. It's here. The fuel gauge works. Blower motor works. Like I say, the radio did not work. Fit and finish is outstanding on the truck. Backup lights work. Drives down the road great. Couldn't get it to come on. See, yeah, the air's blowing ice cold out of here. It's just a great truck. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. What a gorgeous truck.